Hudson with the Hudson Law Firm. This video is all about how to handle your property damage claim. At Hudson Law Firm, we don't handle property damage claims for our clients. We handle the injury portion of the claim. However, we want all of our clients to know if you have any trouble with the adjuster by any means, if they're not being responsive, you let us know. We'll get on the horn and get them to be responsive like they should. Now, getting back to how to handle a property damage claim. If your car is going to be repaired, yes, you can pick the body shop. And what will happen is the insurance company will schedule a time to send out a field adjuster. They can come to your home, they can come to your work, or they can go to the body shop where the car is located, and they can give an initial estimate to the body shop of the necessary repairs. From there, usually your body shop will handle all future calls to the insurance company for any necessary supplements to the repairs. We always want to make sure our clients listen to the car as they're driving it. Okay, so once you've picked up your car, drive it around, listen for any of those squeaks and rattles that weren't there before the accident. Perhaps it might be air, a whistling of air that's coming in through the windows. Wasn't there before the accident? Take it back to the body shop and make them do those repairs under the warranty. Now, let me visit with you for a second about if your car is going to be totaled. All right, so obviously the cost of repairs, they'll still do an estimate, and if the cost of repairs exceeds the market value of the vehicle, they're going to total your vehicle. They're going to make an offer based on what your vehicle was worth, market value, prior to it being in its wrecked state. So do your own research on Kelley Blue Book, KBB.com. There's also NADA values. I always ask my clients to do their own search on like usedcars.com or a similar website where you can actually find comparable vehicles that are for sale right now and present those to the insurance adjuster if they're not giving you a fair value for your car. But most of the time we found that because all this stuff is information is available online, the offers from these adjusters for property damage is pretty fair. But find you a comparable vehicle, same year, make, model, similar mileage to what you have, and that is one of your best ways to get more value for your car. Likewise, we always want to make sure our clients ask the adjuster for an accounting of what's being considered, what's being paid for your total vehicle. What that is, it's going to be an inventory of all the different features your car has. Again, our clients know their vehicle better than we do, better than that adjuster ever will. So if you've got a special speaker system, stereo, navigation, if you've got a spoiler, a trailer hitch, sports package, any type of add-ons, those type of things, make sure the adjuster knows about it, make sure it's in that accounting and you're getting credit for it. Likewise, many of my clients don't realize that they can also get credit for recent car repairs. So if you put a battery on your car recently, maybe had to replace an alternator, or perhaps you put new tires on the car recently, it happens all the time. If you can get a receipt from the vendor or you already have a receipt, present it to the adjuster, get some credit for those recent repairs. Now, it's not going to be a dollar for dollar credit, but every dollar helps. Next, I'd like to visit with you just a moment about rental car. Understand that the adjuster is only going to pay for a compact car. In special circumstances, you can argue that based on what you do for a job, or perhaps handicap related or other reasons, you could get a larger vehicle or perhaps a truck paid for. But if you have any trouble presenting that to the adjuster, please give us a call. We'd be happy to make those arguments for you for a larger vehicle. Otherwise, just know they're going to pay probably about $19.99 a day for a compact car. Also, the adjusters will only pay for a car while it's in the body shop. All right, so they're not going to pay for any of those delays of the client getting the car to the body shop. They're not going to pay for any days beyond the day that your car repairs are finished. So if you have the rental car anytime outside of that window, make sure you've talked to the adjuster and make sure it's approved that they're going to pay for those days. Likewise, if your car is going to be totaled, you generally don't get a rental car. All right, now if you already have a rental car The insurance company authorized it because it's going to take a while for them to process the property damage claim. As soon as they offer you a check for your car being totaled, they're going to require that car be returned. And you're going to be responsible for any days beyond that day. Now, we have had special circumstances where if it's the only vehicle in the family, perhaps, you can make an argument to keep the rental car another couple of days, perhaps over a weekend, so you can go shop for another car. If you have any trouble like that, let us know and we can present that to the insurance adjuster for you. Also, if your property damage claim is being made through your insurance, you're not going to get a rental car unless you have rental car coverage in your policy in general. Now, you might be asking, why would I make a property damage claim through my own insurance? The accident wasn't your fault. Why would your insurance have to pay? Well, the reason for that is the other driver's insurance company may be taking way too long. You need replacement transportation now. That insurance company has up to 30 days to make a claim determination whether or not there's adequate coverage and to evaluate the cost of your vehicle. So sometimes you do have to make a claim through your own insurance. Yes, you do have to pay a deductible, but your insurance company will seek reimbursement from the other driver's insurance company, which will include reimbursement of that deductible that will get refunded to you if they're successful. So we hope this video has helped you with understanding how to make a property damage claim and how to handle that. We do have a series of videos on our website that answer frequently asked questions like this on personalinjury.com. We'd like to thank you for trusting your injury claim with Hudson Law Firm, where we put personal back into personal injury law.